Welcome back to another Element Pack Pro tutorial. Today we're exploring Parallax Effects, a powerful feature that lets you add smooth, scroll-based or mouse-based motion to widgets and sections in Elementor. It's perfect for hero sections, landing pages, and creative showcases, helping you add depth, improve visual appeal, and create a more engaging, modern browsing experience without any coding. Let's jump in and see how it works. To get started, open your WordPress dashboard and look at the left-hand menu. Click on Element Pack Pro to open its dashboard, then navigate to the Extensions tab. In the search bar at the top, type Parallax Effect to quickly locate the extension. Once you see it, enable the toggle switch and click Save Settings to activate the feature on your site. Next, open your page in the Elementor editor. In this example, the layout already includes sections with images and text, making it easy to demonstrate how the effect works. Select an image, then go to the Advanced tab and scroll down until you find the Motion Effects section. Expand this panel and you will notice several options. One of these is the Parallax Effects control. Turn it on and additional customization settings will appear. These settings give you precise control over how an element behaves while the page is scrolling. You can apply horizontal or vertical movement, adjust opacity, blur, rotation, scale, hue, and sepia, and refine the motion using easing and transition controls. You can also control when the animation begins and ends within the viewport, which helps create smoother, more natural movement. Start by adjusting the horizontal and vertical parallax settings. Set the starting and ending positions to define how far the element moves as the visitor scrolls. When you preview the section and scroll the page, you will see the image shifting smoothly, creating a sense of depth and motion. To make the animation feel more refined, apply an easing effect and adjust the transition duration. These controls help soften the movement and prevent the animation from feeling abrupt or mechanical. You can repeat the same process with another image to create layered motion across the section. Enable the parallax effect, apply horizontal and vertical movement, and then experiment with color-based effects such as hue adjustments. Subtle color shifts combined with motion can create a modern, dynamic visual style. After that, adjust the transition duration so the movement feels smooth and balanced with the rest of the design. Continue applying similar effects to other elements in the section. By combining horizontal and vertical movement with easing and transition adjustments, you can build a cohesive animation style across multiple objects. As you scroll, each element moves at a slightly different rate, enhancing the sense of depth and making the layout feel more interactive. In another section, select an image and re-enable the effect. This time, experiment with opacity changes so the element gradually fades as it moves. You can also add rotation to introduce subtle motion that responds to scrolling. Small rotations combined with fading and movement often create an elegant, professional look when used carefully. Finish by refining the transition duration to ensure everything moves smoothly. For the final element, try focusing on vertical movement combined with blur and scale effect. As the element moves, the blur can increase or decrease, creating a cinematic sense of focus and depth. Slightly scaling the object during motion can further enhance its visual impact. Once you are satisfied with the customization, publish the page and preview the result. As you scroll through the finished layout, you will notice how each element responds smoothly, creating a more engaging browsing experience. The page feels more alive, and the visual flow naturally guides the viewer's attention from one section to another. And that's how you can create beautiful scroll-based animations using Parallax Effects in Element Pack Pro. With thoughtful adjustments and a bit of experimentation, you can add depth, motion, and personality to your designs, transforming ordinary layouts into interactive and visually compelling web pages. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest features from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching.